Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Family Cool Reviews, and in today's video we're gonna make some Immunity Tiesta tea. That's from Costco and it's fireberry. It has amazing ingredients, such a great taste for fall season. It's just perfect to warm you up. And also I'm just gonna be opening this chocolate. So I got this at Ikea. Check the link down below because I have an Ikea haul as well. And also from Ikea I got my new French press that I'm trying it out, and also at the end of the video I'm just gonna show you a cool trick how you can disassemble it and you can deep clean it, so that's pretty amazing. It smells delicious. Here's a close-up view of the tea. It's really cool. So it has cranberry and hibiscus rooibos tea. It's really nice, and check out the ingredients. It has hibiscus, elderberry, currant, rooibos, sweet blackberry leaves, candied cranberries, rose hip, rose petal, and natural flavors. So nothing artificial, so that's great. So let's make some tea. Since I filled it up, I'm just gonna add a little more tea, like a teaspoon of tea. And now it's time to steep. Look at this, it already has color. So while we wait for our tea to steep, there's just some cute, cool information here. I love how it says keep the doctor away, and there's the apple symbol. And it says, did you know black, green, white, and oolong teas are all made from the same plant, Camellia sinensis? I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but it's cool that they're all made from the same plant, and they just get to be different teas by how they process them, so it's pretty cool. And many herbal teas contain vitamin C, which is commonly used to support immune function and as protection from viral disease. Don't we all need that? The cold and flu season, it's upon us. The ingredients, I used actually a little less tea. I don't like very strong. I just like more of a light flavored tea for myself. But these are the ingredients. If you want to make it their way, you can make it as a cold tea. So this one says, our immunity blends contain rooibos and herbal teas, which help you recover by fueling your body with a variety of vitamins and nutrients. Immunity. Also, they have different types. So tiestatea.com if you want to check them out. So like immunity, like the one that we have right here. Then they have relaxer, energizer, slenderizer, and eternity. Wow, that's cute. Also, we have lemons and honey. I like to add honey to my tea. I like to add it to the tea when the tea is just warm. I don't like to drink hot teas. I just kind of wait until they're becoming warm. So let's check out this chocolate. And this one, it's with hazelnut. Nice. It smells delicious. Yummy. I'm gonna try one out. And the tea is ready. And look at its color. It's so amazing. It's super bold, like super dark. It's not as dark as it kind of looks like, as you can see in the French press. And in case you're curious how to deep clean the French press, I'm just gonna show you a cool trick. It's not as much as a trick as pretty much instructions. So this one unscrews and you can clean each piece. See how we have trapped tea pieces in here? And once you rinse it all out, it's time to put it back. There. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Family Cool Reviews. Bye. See you in my next video.